In this video, we are going to discuss about question number 11th of the exercise 4.3. The question is, sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Okay? आपको दिया है इसमें कि आपके पास दो स्क्वायर्स हैं, दो स्क्वायर्स आप कह सकते हैं दो स्क्वायर शेप्स हैं. इन दोनों स्क्वायर्स के एरियाज का सम दिया है आपको 468 मीटर स्क्वायर. इस क्वेश्चन को हम दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. पहले मैं आपको फर्स्ट मेथड बताती हूँ. देखिए बच्चों, एरिया के लिए हमें जो रिक्वायरमेंट होती है वो हमें पता होनी चाहिए स्क्वायर की साइड. So assuming that the size of the first square be x and the side of the second square be y. So area of the first square, it will be side square, that is x square, and the area of the second square will be y square. Okay. Now according to the question, the sum of the areas is 468 meter square, means we can say x square plus y square is equals to 468. This is my question number 1. Further in the question it is said, if the difference of their perimeters is 24 meters. Here, see, the perimeter of this square will be what? The perimeter formula is 4 into side, that will be 4y, and here the perimeter will be 4x. Here we have assumed that y is greater than x, so we can say that 4y minus 4x, the difference of the perimeters is 24. Okay, so this is my second equation. Further solving this equation, we can find 4 as common, then it will become y minus x is equals to 24. So y minus x will be 24 upon 4, that is 6. Y minus x is equals to 6. So we can say y will be x plus 6. Okay, y value will be x plus 6. Now substituting this value in this equation number 1, we will get the equation in the form of x. So what is there? X square plus y square. So y square, we can put y as x plus 6. Y is equals to x plus 6. So in place of y, we have written x plus 6 is equals to 468. Now this portion we can solve with the help of this identity, that is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so substituting solving the expression with the help of this formula, we will get a square, that is x square, plus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 6, so 2 6 are 12x, plus b square, that is 36, is equals to 468. Then further solving this equation, it will give you 2x square plus 12x is equals to 468 minus 36. That will be 8 minus 6 2, 6 minus 3 3, and 432. Further, 2x square plus 12x minus 432 will be equal to 0. Now see, there we can take 2 as common. So x square plus 2 6 is 12 minus 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2 6. So the equation will become x square plus 6x minus 216 is equals to 0. Okay. Now here again I am using the quadratic formula. By quadratic formula, we can say x will be what? Minus of b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here a is 1, b is 6, and c is minus 216. So substituting the values there, it will be minus of b, that is minus of 6, plus minus root b square, that is 6 square, minus 4 into a is 1, into c will be minus 216 upon 2 into 1. Okay, then further we can solve it. So we will get x is equals to minus 6 plus minus root of 6 square will be 36, and here minus minus will become plus, and 216 into 4. So 4 6 are 24, 2 will be carry over. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6, and 4 2s are 8. This will be 864 upon 2. That will be again minus 6 plus minus root of 6 plus 4 tan 0, 1 carry over. So again 6 plus 4 tan 0, 1 carry over. So it will be 900 upon 2. So 900 is the square of 30. So we can write it as 30 upon 2. Now considering first we are considering positive sign. When we will consider positive sign, so x will be what? X will be minus 6 plus 30 upon 2. That will be 30 minus 6, that is 24 upon 2, that is 12 meters. So the square who's having the side as x, it will be 12 meters. And if we consider the negative sign, if we consider, x will be minus 6 minus 30 upon 2, that will be minus 36 upon 2. So this will be minus 18. So we can discard this value as the side it cannot be negative. Okay, so we will accept the value as 12 meters. So y was x plus 6. Now substituting the value of x there, that is 12 plus 6, so that will be 18 meters. So one of the square is having the side as 12 meter and another one is having the side as 18 meter. I think the question is clear. Now if any query is there, you can write or comment that question. Thank you.